Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Today is March 11th, 2024, and we're looking at our larger leaf, the broadleaf mulberry, which gets pretty big. And it's springtime, so it's starting to produce mulberries. Now, these things get huge, these guys right here. But for now, I just like to keep them kind of small and shrubby, so that requires a lot of trimming. Over here, you're going to see the Thai dwarf mulberry, significantly different, not nearly as big of leaves. These guys aren't producing at all yet. We had some production previously in the year. Here's another mulberry right here. No production yet off of this. We had some production over here earlier in the year, which we thought was kind of weird, but it came right out of there. But now there's a lot of new growth here, so that looks good. The soil is just sandy soil, so it's very neutral. We'll get a bunch of little shoots to pop out when it comes to this guy. What is it going to take to get more production? I'm not sure, but I think it might have something to do with sunlight. Oh, look at this guy over here. It's producing something. This is the broadleaf. All the new growth has mulberries, so that's a good sign. So technically the broadleaf is producing more than the Thai dwarf mulberry when it comes to the plants on my property. Now, my neighbor has a Thai dwarf mulberry, and that thing is producing heavily, but he fertilizes his. Okay, so if you look, you can clearly see all the mulberries. They're growing everywhere. Just tons of mulberries. I don't use any fertilizer, so maybe I have a tremendous disadvantage because of it, but I'll figure something out. Maybe I need to do something about the soil content. Like I said, I'm just using sandy soil. Maybe what I'll do is take some of that leaves and detritus that I have and that's been inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi, and I'll place it down there in the root zone, maybe stimulate some nutrients into the soil so that these guys can produce some mulberries for us. What I am going to do, I can tell you right now, is I'm going to take these stalks and I'm going to produce a bunch of clones because I really want to have more mulberries. Anyhow, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I will keep you updated on the progress of these beautiful mulberries. Have a great day.